behalf of our release of Bombay, and this song is actually in honor of tomorrow, because tomorrow is Sunday, so tomorrow, I know it's going to be a beautiful day because we live here in Hawaii and it's always a beautiful day here in Hawaii, whether it's raining or the sun is shining, it doesn't matter because we live in paradise. So this is a song that became famous, I guess, in America in the 1970s. I'm sorry, that was before my time. But I understand,
slightly.
I understand that it was recorded by a man named Daniel Boone. And not the frontiersman.
Not the wine.
Not Boone's Farm, but this man named Daniel Boone was a music artist, and he recorded this song called Beautiful Sunday. And you know, we learned this song from all of Kellen's uncles and aunties in Kilauea, Kauai, because I guess this song was popular when they were working construction down in Kwajaleina.
Yeah.
And so they brought this song back with them to Kauai, and they would play it in all their Kanikapila jam sessions. And we thought they wrote this song, but actually they told us it was by this guy, Daniel Boone. And then, so we learned it, we started learning this song because it's just a fun song to sing. And then we found out later, we were playing this song on one of our trips to Japan. And I didn't know this, and if you're familiar with this song, I bet you didn't know this either. This song became hugely famous in Japan. Somebody translated it into Japanese, and everybody in Japan knows this song. I kid you not. Like, people were like totally singing along, like jumping up and down. We're like,
I thought we won the lottery. We started playing this song over there, and everybody started going nuts. We're like,
oh my gosh! Yeah, so anyway, we play for you now a favorite of ours, a song called Beautiful Sunday. Up with the alarm, I think I'll take a walk in the park. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. I've got someone waiting for me, and when I see him, I'll know that he'll say, hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. This is my beautiful day. And when you say that you love me, oh my, it's a beautiful day. Birds are singing, you by my side, so let's take a car and go for a ride. Beautiful day. We'll drive on and follow the sun, making Sunday go on and on. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Oh, beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. And when you say that you love me, oh my, it's a beautiful day.
how about some Japanese, Līhau?
Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. beautiful Sunday.